Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy Palestinian hummus. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, about 15 ounces, some good quality tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a couple of garlic cloves. Make sure your chickpeas are thoroughly drained and rinsed. This helps achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Having a food processor or a strong blender is key for this recipe. Now let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 2 minced garlic cloves into your food processor. For an extra smooth texture, pour in about 1/4 cup of very cold water. This helps emulsify everything beautifully. Process the mixture for several minutes, scraping down the sides occasionally until it's incredibly smooth and light. Once your hummus is wonderfully smooth, it's time to taste and adjust. Add salt to your liking, and if you prefer a tangier flavor, a little more lemon juice works wonders. Scoop the hummus into a shallow serving bowl and use the back of a spoon to create a beautiful swirl pattern. Finish with a generous drizzle of good olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, and some fresh chopped parsley. It's ready to enjoy. Here are a few extra tips for your perfect hummus. For an even fluffier texture, try adding a small ice cube to the food processor during the final blending stage. This really lightens it up. Your delicious homemade hummus will keep well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And hey, while you're making your kitchen smell amazing, don't forget to check out the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.